Hi Lisa, this is Spencer from Prime Mercedes in Scarborough, Maine. We've been texting back and forth a little bit today about our 2015 ML350. I wanted to put together this video tour for you just to show you the vehicle in a little more detail, show you the interior, exterior of the car, go over the options as well. So let's jump right in, start with this front end of the vehicle. So, like I said, it's a 2015 ML350, comes in polar white. Now what's special about this car, it has your active LED headlights with curve illumination, so you have your LED up front and these lights will actually move with the road and curve as you drive, so it's a great safety feature. We have 5-spoke Mercedes-Benz wheels. As we come around along the side, we can see that aluminum running board and our door mirrors as well, with our turn indicators on the side. As we come around to the back of the vehicle, you can see our wraparound LED taillights, our ML350 in 4MATIC badging for that all-wheel drive system. I'll open up the trunk for you. All you have to do is hold on that key fob like so. Trunk opens automatically. Lots of storage space. Those rear seats are going to fold down as well, so you have even more storage capability. A nice chrome plate along that tailgate as well. And then when you want to close it up, all you have to do, press that button right there, closes right up for you. Now, let's move along to the interior. You can see it's a beautiful black leather with a white contrast stitching. So that white stitching is going to match the exterior paint, give it a really nice look. And as we come along to the front, you can see just how beautiful this interior is. Super low mileage for a 2015, beautiful wood trim. Again, that black leather is in fantastic condition, no major scrapes or scratches. We have our illuminated door sill as well with the Mercedes logo. So let's hop in, take it for a spin. Hi Lisa, now we're inside the ML. We can just take a little tour around the vehicle and we'll go for a drive around our dealership as well. So we're located in Scarborough, Maine, just right outside of Portland. I'll go over some features on this vehicle, things that make it special. I'd already mentioned our active LEDs with curved illumination up front. Now that we're inside the car, some features you'll find on here. One of the biggest and one of my favorites is that PARKTRONIC system. So you'll see our P in the middle of my screen there, and then that bar up front as well. That will give us our parking sensors, let us know as our front and rear end, we have one in the back as well, is getting closer and closer to an object that's going to hit. Great for being in parking garages, moving through tight city streets, just gives all around ease when dealing with tight cornering in a vehicle of this size. Now, this car, although it is a large vehicle, the steering is tight, it's incredibly smooth, great drive. It's a quick car. It has a 3-liter V6 engine, so it produces right around 300 horsepower, so the acceleration is there. Get yourself out of an unsafe scenario, whether you're on the highway, you have to accelerate to get out of the way of another car. This vehicle has the power to do it. With 32,500 miles, this vehicle is a low mileage ML for 2015. And looking at the interior, the quality, the feel, the leather, you wouldn't even know that it has that many miles. You can see that wood trim is in great condition. No major scrapes or scratches on the leather either. Just all around fantastic. We have our heated seats up front, all dual zone climate control. A lot of other great features. I'd be happy to go over everything that this vehicle has to offer with you. You can give me a call. I know we've been texting back and forth, but I'll give you my cell phone number again. It's 207-210-4796, or if you'd like, you can email me. My email is sroe, that's SROE, @driveprime.com. Thanks for watching, Lisa. I hope you enjoyed.